Good morning everybody, this is a Mujtaba driving school and we're videoing about meeting traffic, how to deal with a meeting traffic and clearance, specifically how to check our mirrors, how to position ourselves, and in a really basic steps. So the steps we follow is mirror, signal, position, speed and look, and how to do it. Okay, brilliant. So let's start from here. Right, we are in Huddersfield now, Ray House. We're going to be going right, so check our center mirror, right mirror, signal right, position ourselves to the right hand side, nice and slow, gentle brake, look to the right hand side, look left, look right. If it's safe, then continue. Okay, good. So now I can see both sides of the road is car parked, so there's no space. So first of all, I'm going to do, check my center mirror, right mirror, move out a little bit, drive in the middle of the roads and scan to the side of the road, under the car, above the car, underneath the car, and drive on the middle of and road. Give ourselves 1 meter from the right to the left hand side. Now I'm going to pass this car, check my center mirror, left mirror, come a little bit to the left and to the right. Now I can see the black car coming. Check my center mirror, right mirror, and put my nose out. So now the way I position myself is, for me, is easy to move out now. So the next car wait for me, I check my mirror, center mirror, right mirror, move out. Now I'm gonna say thank you to her, and then center mirror, left mirror, come back again, and I'm looking far down the road and driving on the left side and give myself 1 meter from the curb. Now I can see the car coming, mirrors, none. So the road is wide enough, I can go slowly. So they can pass, I can pass. Check my mirror, then I can go. Now I'm going far down the road, driving in the middle of the road, and I'm looking if somebody else coming from any sides. Okay, so looking far down the road, the scan side to side, under the car, above the car, through the car, anybody open the door, any cyclist, anybody might open the door. So we're anticipating and planning. So now I can see the white car coming, so check my mirror who's behind me, check my side mirror who's beside me. So now I can judge, I can fit through, no problem at all. I've got plenty gap from this car, plenty from this car, then I can go. I don't have to do nothing. I can see a car coming ahead all the way, check my mirrors and assess the situation, assess the gaps. I've got space, no problem at all, I can go. Now the van coming, mirrors, gentle brake, there you go. Now I can go straight ahead, I have priority, so they're crossing my path, I don't have to wait. The road is clear, humps, check my mirror who's behind me, move off the gas, then continue. Now after the humps, check my mirrors and then continue again. Now I can see the sign of roundabout. At the roundabout I'm going to be turning right. So what do I need to do? Check center mirror who's behind me, right mirror who's beside me, signal right, telling them what I'm going to do, position to the right, nice and slow. Look, where is this BMW going? Only I'm looking right side, so she's gonna come here. Yes, so I could have gone a blocker, but I just wait because of the demonstration. I'm gonna wait for that because of that demonstration. So 1, 2, 3. I will look with the other white car where he's going, where she's going. He's going straight ahead. 1, 2, 3. I can go now. Good. So now at this roundabout, I'm gonna go straight ahead. Check my mirrors, no signaling, nice and slow. Go around the roundabout. That's it. Then check my center mirror, right mirror. Then I can go. Now black car park, check my mirror, closer to the white line. Yes, I've got a space here. Now look, so if I cross the white line, doesn't matter, but at least I've got a space this side. Check my center mirror, left mirror, continue. Now I'm looking far down the road, I can see those cars coming. So now I'm gonna judge, have I got space, yes or no? Yes, I do have a space, but I'm just gonna go slow. It's really slow, like this. Look, my speed is about 10 now. Drive slow, gentle brake, look at the curb, stop here now. Now let them go, then I can go. My speed is 4 now. Now mirrors and accelerate. Then I've got a space from the curb, I've got a space from the white line, and I'm looking all the way at the end of the road, just in case somebody comes in. My speed is 20 at the moment. Look, there's a hump, check my mirrors, off the gas, continue. Now another car coming. By the time that car comes, I'm already gone. There you go. Continue. Now We got a pedestrian crossing, check my mirrors, nice and slow, and then continue. Now I've got another mini roundabout. At the mini roundabout, I'm gonna go straight ahead. So check who's behind me, nice and slow. I can see the black car. Look to the right hand side. Anybody coming from the right hand side? No, just go round it, watch the mirrors, and straight ahead. Another hump, check my mirrors, off the gas. Once I pass the humps, check my mirrors, and then on the gas. Now black car, check my mirrors, in front of me block. Look first, nobody's coming. No, check center mirror, left mirror, come back again. Humps, off the gas, on the gas. Once you pass, continue. Left, look far down the road for myself, and I can see the cars parked on the left hand side. So now what do I need to do? Check my center mirror, right mirror, how much space I have. Okay, I can see the cars coming. Yes, we can go through as long as I'm going slow. So less space, less speed. I've got the space there. Check my mirror, come back, then continue. Now again, I can see the cars parked on my left hand side. Check my center mirror, right mirror, move out from this car. So enough space for the car. Check center mirror, left mirror, come back again. Now I can see the cars parked here to the left side. Center mirror, right mirror, move out a little bit to give yourself one door length. Then we're going left now. Center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Nobody's from the right coming, but he's far away. By the time he comes, I'm gonna turn and look at that curb now. Slowly, look ahead as well, straighten my wheel, check my mirrors, then continue. Now I'm gonna pull into the left hand side. Check my center mirror who's behind me, left mirror who's beside me, signal left, gentle brake, brake, stay to the left side slowly, stay to the right slowly, then straighten the wheel, gentle brake. There you go. Now put the car first on park, cancel my signal, turn off the engine, and that's how it's done.